Hi Capricorn, this is your monthly reading for the month of April. I'm going to look at your energies, how you are going to do, how you are going to um, tackle the energies around you, what's going to happen in your love or your career or job situation, and what is the outcome in the end, and finally the overview with the Lenormand card to see what the month is like. So, you are coming out of a difficult circumstance with the tower and the high priestess. Something was unclear. Maybe you will realize the truth. It can be something not in your life but something external that is impacting you. So you could be fearful, sad, or getting a shock or surprise. But in this time period, your heart, your soul is going to nurse you back, and you will realize that your soul is telling you that the future is good, things are better. That kind of energy is coming in. So, your nursing will happen with a either a very powerful person or a powerful feminine energy around you. You could be going through a problem of conceiving or some kind of feminine problem, hormonal problems, or some kind of issue that is troubling your environment. So in this time period you will require to take necessary rest or voluntary sacrifice or remain passive for some time. So this can be because of an accident or because of a political problem outside, around you, that can stop your activity, or there can be a storm or a situation of weather that can stop you for some time in this time period. With the Hierophant and the Hermit, you need to take this necessary rest or necessary reflection. That is what angels are saying. You might have gone through a loss, or you might have gone through some shock or surprise in your economy or in your work. Something is not working out, so you will be waiting for a necessary wait is required. So with the Hierophant and the Hermit, it is not a bad energy. It is energy of rules, regulation, routine, or some kind of austerity, or sticking to rules or morals is important. And with the Hermit, you need to withdraw. You are going to withdraw from the social circle, or you could be separated from your family in this time period, and you will be introspecting and taking charge of your situation with Four of Swords. So you could be taking a necessary rest that is required in terms, if it is a health situation, you have to take that necessary rest. There can be, some of you could be facing many needles, many knives situation. Some of you are dealing with high responsibility or some kind of draining of body. So there is a situation here. So you will have to take rest. Some of you are, if it is not your body or your mind, it is outside circumstances that are forcing you to take necessary waiting period. So you will be in good spirits. Finally, with the Seven of Wands, you will pass through this period, and with the Seven of Wands you will be in high energy, high activity, and dealing with these challenges, and you will fortify yourself without getting touched by anything or getting ruined by anything. So you have come out of that period, and definitely in the first half of the month you can go through these issues because of Mercury retrograde. Things could stop in this time period. Your fourth house is the house of Aries, so there is maybe communication problems with your home, or back home. Venus will enter your fourth house by 5th of April, that is the house of Aries. New moon solar eclipse will happen on 8th of April, so things will be some kind of obstruction will be there. However, by 19th April, Sun will enter Taurus, that is your fifth house energy. So long, big projects, travels, or passion will flow in this time period. And full moon in Scorpio, that is your 11th house, so expansion, illumination, change will happen with the Knight of Wands energy coming in finally, when Mars will move from Pisces to Aries by 30th of April. So there can be a movement after a passivity or a period in which you necessary rest was required. So you could be connected in this time period with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be connected with a Taurus or a Virgo, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, whoever is around you. Time for introspection, because Saturn is giving you a structure. So a structure is being created. Some of you have started something new in terms of your job. So formal new beginning in a job situation. So you might have lost a job and now you are in a new job. You might have changed your direction. You might be on a travel in terms of a job and you are in a new place, new office. Some of you are getting a formal contract to start your money making situation, your livelihood. So reliable energies with the energy of innocence, youthfulness, and formal contract is coming in. There could be people like Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces around you. Like I said, you will feel a sense of a journey that you have accomplished in your career. You will reach that situation when things will become better for you with the Nine of Cups. You will find individual liberation after a period that was not good for you or that was too much work for you. So you will feel lighter by the end of this month. In terms of love, someone is full of love for you, and with the Four of Wands, you will achieve stability with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You are in this Four of Pentacles mode. You want to create balance. So 4 and 4, you want to create balance in your love situation. You are the King of Pentacles. You are a provider, a personality who is stable, someone who is a father figure, who is very practical. So in terms of close relationships and love, you have good energy this month, but you could be closed or conservative, but gradually things will improve with your partner. And with 10 of Cups, you will find benefit for all, happiness for all, success for all, in terms of your close relationships. So your outcome is the Justice and the Sun. So Justice and the Sun tells me that accountability, responsibility, balance, truth, and name, fame, recognition, recovery, and great joy and happiness. So you are departing from displeasure in this time period. You are making a move towards calmer, clearer, clear situation. You are making moves towards your long-term happiness, long-term stability with the 10 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles. So 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Cups feature in this reading, and right to safe passage, right to physical or mental move on. And 8 of Cups, this is a journey towards finding your goal and succeeding, conquering. So in the final cards of this major arcana, Sun and the Justice means that you can lead a team forward. People will walk behind you. They will be in consonance with you. You will be able to have a movement towards your victory, movement towards your success, movement towards a new job, new place, or new office that you are establishing in this time period after a great shakeup, failure, bankruptcy, insolvency, or losses of some kind. You will change your gear and you will come into balance with great happiness in this month. So very active month. Travels will take place, introspection will take place, confrontations can happen, but then finally you will cultivate the energy of success in this time period. So let's read out the Lenormand card. So garden card or 20 number card, garden card is coming for you. Start of a business, invention, love rendezvous. Put more courage and enthusiasm into what you do and you will obtain excellent result. That is the advice. All your energy is concentrated on your work in this month. You have series of brilliant plans waiting to put into practice. A part of the month will be dedicated to rest with a relaxing holiday that puts you back in shape. In terms of your success, it is telling me that commitment in the past, study and work has brought you to this enviable position. Business that is already underway is making profits or will make profits, and a nice holiday will be guaranteed. A master stroke discovery or invention will change your life. Look for a sponsor for unexpected, or for some people result will be great work done. Initiative that you will start will go a long way. So money wise, a surprise holiday will be around you. Economic harmony, good business will solve your financial problems, and recovery will be slow and steady. In terms of your love, someone who is already spoken for has changed your destiny. Emotional recovery after being hurt. Artistic inspiration, music, nature will help you find yourself. Little pleasures of life, consoling invitations, walks in the countryside will soothe your disappointment. You could be meeting someone in this time period without knowledge of other people. So clandestine meeting. Full recovery of peace after worst phase is over. You will find peace again thanks to the help of family and friends. So this is a period of recovery for you, Capricorn, and you are moving towards success. Longevity of career is guaranteed. You will be finding something that is going to take you forward. Definitely have hope. And these are advantage cards for you. 3 of Pentacles and the star card. So 3 of Pentacles is value, 3 of Pentacles is collaboration. This is your advantage. You will be in good humor, feeling youthful, and with the star energy you could be a star among people. People will be following your guidance. Like people see the star for direction, they will be following your direction. They will be hopeful because of you. You will be inspiring many people around you. So Capricorn, if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through issues can contact me for a personal reading. You will get some more clarity if you do a personal reading, but only for those people who are really going through difficult circumstances. Otherwise, this reading is good enough for you. I'll be posting more readings very soon. Your next 10 days reading is upcoming, so wait for that. And please do like, share, subscribe, share it with other people, and share many other videos which are there in my channel. Channel is Tarot Priestess 1313. So bye bye.